Hey guys, Jason here for the Love of Tractors, and I'm with the brand spanking new 8rx410 from Ertl, Tomy, and John Deere. So Ertl and Tomy are the same company there. Anyway, I think this is a cool tractor. I'm just going to get right out and say it. This thing is cool. It's neat. I love the look of the tractor in general, and in fact, I actually like the wheel version better. Now, of course, we don't have the real 1/16 scale wheel version yet. We've just got the real thing that I've seen in wheeled version, but check it out. So here's kind of some of the highlights. So the new hood has this sort of black plastic thing here. New decal, obviously. Super aggressive front end, which I think is really cool. And that, and then of course I guess the big star of the show is the 4-track layout. So we'll go through this tractor as we kind of go along here. But one of the things that I kind of noticed right off the start is no weights up front, which I was a little surprised at. This tractor, I've seen pictures of it, looks excellent with the weights up front. So anyway, there's a custom potential there, I guess. So here it is, guys. So nicely detailed here. Like I said, no weights, no big deal though, not a big deal. So these are gonna run you, like retail right now on these is like, let's call it 200. I think if you're paying more than 200, you're paying too much. Just to be honest here. So we've got nice decaling up here for vents. Another kind of vent area. That's a little styrofoam from the box left over. And there, we get down up front. Check out that super aggressive grille. We actually get lenses for our headlights, which is wonderful. The decal here is kind of raised a little bit. You can see there with the relief on it, and then you just got more nice little detail up here. Like, this is just such a great tractor from a lot of angles, I think. I really like them. When I first saw the picture of the real one of these, I don't know that I was sold on it. But now that I've had a chance for it to grow on me, I really like it. So one thing here that's super nice, this hood pops right up. So now we've got all of our intercoolers and aftercoolers and radiators and all that stuff going on there. Nicely detailed engine bay in general. Something I think Ertl should be really proud of there. It's really well done. I mean, it's not precision level, but by gosh, this is great. Just really well done. Check out this bolt detail everywhere. A lot of them are painted up just like the real ones. You just got little bits and pieces of detail. I don't know if I can slide that in here and get us to see anything or not. Nope, not so much. So anyway, I'm going to just, while we've got the hood up real quick, we're just going to pop around to the other side, take a look at this side of the engine as well. I mean, check this out. You've even got all of your sort of fan warnings and, all the real stuff there. I mean, that's so cool. Just really well done here. Normally I would kind of start on this side, the sort of driver side of the tractor, but I'm going to start over here just for something different. Still got some styrofoam there that's clinging to it. So, of course, we've got tracks all the way around. 2 bogie wheels here, and then we've got these. Now, this is all, this is kind of all plastic, but, whatever. Not a big deal to me. Now, this is die cast here. These shields are great, look really good. They've got the John Deere logo right back there. Check out how beefy these front axles are. And I guess I hadn't thought about it much, but they probably would have to be to run the tracks like this. As I said earlier, great decaling along the side, just super crisp, well done. All right, see there, we've got some lights. Here's our mirrors. These do fold. And then check out these lights up here. Super futuristic. I think that's the thing with this tractor, just kind of stepping back to look at it. Not only is it really, it's new, it looks new, it's fresh. I feel like it looks futuristic. I just think it's really cool. So, moving around to the side here, we've got some steps to come up to the side. We've got all sorts of grab rails and things there. I suppose you're going to clean your windows while we're at it, because we've got a good look in here. Cup holders abound, lots of levers, your console. I see just all sorts of little details in there that I think are excellent. That steering wheel is excellent. Let's kind of come around to the front and take a look in there. Check out the seat detail even. I mean, that's great. It's just really good, just a really good tractor here. All right, let's step back. So here's what the rear end looks like. So You've got sort of flashers and all that sort of thing on your rear fenders. Of course, the rear fenders are plastic, just like the real thing. Kind of got a nice satin finish on there. I think that looks cool. I love what Ertl is doing with these rear ends. Check out all of your hydraulic outlets, color-coded and everything. Just really, really, really good detail there. This is all die cast. Now, you get to the 3-point hitch, this is plastic. That's a little disappointing because there's no way you're going to hang a 3-point implement off this. I mean, of course, you'd have to have a scratch-built one or a custom one, but there's no way you're going to hang it off of this hitch. It's just too flimsy. But, with that said, the hitch does go up and down, and it does stay up. So, points for Ertl there for sure. There's your big rams. You can see even more detail here with the bolts and all that sort of thing going on. We've got a filler cap back there and your rear lights, as well as the lights up there on the cab. So just kind of maybe take a quick gander on the inside of these as far as your bogey wheels and all that sort of thing goes. Just detailed all around. Now, let's see if we can't get a nice view inside there. Check out that John Deere logo on the steering wheel. You can see your reverser and forward lever, and all of that. Just again, really well done on this. You got your buddy seat, and just kind of a little bit of everything there. Great work there. All right, coming back around this side, let's take a look at these. Looks good, doesn't it? I mean, that's cool. I would have loved to have seen that be die cast, but I guess, I understand. I get it. But, whatever. It looks good. And then, more fillers here. The big diesel and the, I guess DEF is probably, in this day and age. So check out your door and just look at that. Again, you've got you got everything you'd ever want in there. Now check this out. Door pops right open. Super cool. So if you had a 1/16 scale guy, you could stick him in there and maybe his buddy. Just well done. That interior is so well done. I'm just really impressed with that. And we kind of move around the side. Hey, let's take a look at those mirrors real quick. Check out that reflective material on those mirrors. Isn't that cool? So, not just like a silver paint or anything. We actually get reflective material. So, all right. I think I'll just pop out here to the side and, just kind of show you that. So, I want to, in the not too distant future, do a comparison of the 8rx410 with, say, a 30 series. So the trick to that is I've got to get my hands on a 30 series. Or an R series, I guess is really what I'm wanting to do, not a 30 series. But anyway, there you go, guys. There's that. Detail everywhere. Super cool tractor. Is it worth $200? It's hard for me to say. If you're a diehard John Deere fan, if you're kind of a track tractor fan, I kind of feel like this is a must-have for your collection. I'll be honest, I don't know what this looks like value-wise in the future. I've got a couple different thoughts. I can see it going both ways. I can see this being one of those tractors that really take off. It's new, it's unique, we've never seen one before, this is the first one. I could see this thing growing in value, but at the same time, Ertl tends to hit the market early with some things, then sort of flood the market later and crash the value of them. I could see that being the case too. I just don't know. So as far as, an investment or something like that, I don't know what to tell you guys. But if you want a really neat tractor, in the $200 price range, give or take some there, I think you've got a really nice one here. And I think I think I would consider getting on it a little bit early if I could, just in case, worst case scenario, oh well. If you overpay a little bit, you overpay a little bit. But neat tractor, and I just think I just think it's a cool tractor, guys. I guess I'll just leave it at that. So anyway, guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. The Instagram page hit 7,000 followers. That's amazing. We're encroaching 40,000 here on the Facebook page. The YouTube page here is growing. Just thank you guys so much for everything you do. I just really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. So have yourselves a great day. I hope you enjoyed this review. Treat each other well, and happy tractor hunting.